So this is the Salesforce indicators component. So you can see these brightly coloured indicators on the right hand side of the page. You can put them anywhere on the page, but that's where we like to have them. And they show details about the page quickly at a glance. When we're on a simple leads page, the standard leads page, there's not a lot of information there. But when you have a much larger page where you've got lots of fields on there, the details can get lost. So having some brightly coloured indicators on the page to show you key details that mean something to your organisation about that record is really, really helpful. So in this fully filled out lead, I've got some key details, and when I hover over the indicator, it tells us what the indicator is about. This one's we're working on the lead. This one, the lead is warm. This one, it's a partner referral. It's an engineering company. They've got a 1.5 million annual revenue, and they're in Canada. So these are all really important things that we, as a company, need to know about so that we can process these leads. So let's just have a look when we change the status of something, or change the rating to hot. Our indicator goes to hot rating. If we change we know that the annual revenue is not 1.5 million, it's only say 900,000, then our indicator is going to go down a little bit. If our lead source was not partner referral, it was web, our indicator will change to the web indicator. If our status was not working, our indicator would actually disappear, because the working indicator is the only one we actually really are interested in seeing. If it's not contacted, we know that we've got to contact them. It's on our list view for not contacted leads. Once we're in a working status, it might be good to have an indicator there. Now, this is completely customizable by you and of what is of value to you. So if we want to have US companies tracked, we can have the indicator showing for US companies also. So there's US. So red's for Canada, US, blues for the US. So that's good for a lead that is active and in progress. But we can also use our indicators for exceptions when a record is not quite at the stage we need it. So let's have a look at our brand new blank record. And this one has got all the indicators are now grey. So again, this is just the style that I've set up. You can set up whatever styles you like. We can have the logos can come from the SLDS Lightning Design System logos, or the icons page, the logos page on the Salesforce login page, or these ones come from emojis. With the background of an icon. So I'll show you that in another video when we go through the setup, but just know that you can have multiple icons from different places, plus we're also going to add in external icons in a future release. So this one, in this case, these contact details are working more like exceptions. It's like, and these ones are saying, hey, there's no rating entered yet, or there's no lead source entered, or there's no industry entered, or there's no country entered. So these are saying, well, we really care about these bits of information, and you haven't entered them yet, so we would really like you to enter them. So you've got the difference between whether you do not show it an indicator if the field is empty, or you do show an indicator if the field is empty. Completely customizable. In this case, I've shown an indicator that the phone number is empty, the mobile phone number is empty, and the email address is empty. So let's put in a mobile phone number. And And we've just got the phone, the email, and the website. So let's do another one. We enter the phone, and the phone what goes. We enter the email. And our email indicator will go. We enter the website. And this time our indicator will go, but also our contact details indicator will go. Because I've just set that up on the page layout saying if all of these, any one of these is not entered, then show that component, right? So if I now take the mobile number off, that component is going to come back and the indicator will be visible. So we can use it in conjunction with our brilliant show hide setup on page layouts to show or hide details. So let's just finish this one and put in a lead source. So we'll do a lead source of phone, and we'll do an industry of tech. And we'll do a rating of warm, and we'll do a location of US. Now, and that gives us the coloured icons back again. And we can see the annual revenue wasn't there because it's not, maybe it's not so important to us, but it's just of interest to us. So if I put in 500,000 annual revenue, it's going to have then a little dollars figure. And if I bring that down to 100,000, it's only got a small $1 figure. So there's all sorts of different ways that you can do these indicators. There's lots of setup that you can do, and we'll go through that in the next video. But for now, that's hopefully a good starting point for how to use indicators and of what benefit the indicators component can be to you in your orgs. I'd love to see how you use it. We've got some recipes on the website as to how to use it, so have a look through those recipes, and we'll set up some more recipes to help you along the way.